What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. We're gonna go over Cardano, basically the last stand for ADA. Currently sitting at a very strong level of support, about $1. We're down about 7.8 on the day. We're sitting on a market cap of 33.41 billion. 24-hour volume 2.66 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto, oh come on, Jax. Crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app, and you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback. Let me try to fix this real quick. Is this gonna all right, and you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's start here on the 4-hour time frame. So we have a bit of a descending, broadening channel here. You can see resistance right here, resistance here, support. Now we have created a higher low on the RSI as well as a money flow. So we do have a bullish divergence, guys. We've created a lower low while creating a higher low on the RSI as well as here on our friend the money flow, which can signify that the bears are running out of strength. So if we can see a nice push and we can break out of this channel here, your technical target is up here at about $1.59. Now, of course, when you're in a downtrend, in many cases, your bullish patterns won't reach their targets, just like when you're in an uptrend, in many cases, bearish patterns won't reach their target as well. We need to bounce from this level because ADA simply does not have a lot of support underneath about 95 cents. So we've had 3 entries, 136, 119, 106. So our break even is sitting here at about $1.20. So let's pop over to the daily time frame. All right, guys, so we're here on the daily. We have a bit of a descending broadening wedge, which is a bullish reversal pattern. You can see we're quite low on the RSI, as well as prices dropping. Money is flowing into ADA, which is a bullish indicator. And we've come down to our last strong level of support here at about 98 cents. We wicked down to about 91 cents where I've dropped in this line. Now, if we don't bounce from here, guys, if we come down and we break 91 cents and we start to hit it as resistance, just a little something like this, we really don't have any support until we come all the way down to about 38.40 cents. Let me drop in a little price target. So it's pretty crucial we see ADA bounce from this level, because to our next level of support, you're looking at about a 61% drop. So that's why I said, and I'm sure I mentioned it in the title, this is basically the last stand for ADA. If we can get a bounce here, then we can push back up to this level of resistance. Let me pull this out, which is coming in here for ADA at about $1.63, give or take. Now I am looking for that dead cat bounce. As we usually see when we go into a bear market, you come down, you create a dead cat bounce, you fail to break the high, and then you start to drop lower, guys. So that is what I'm anticipating here for our friend ADA. But if we do lose about 91, 92 cents here, I would expect us to come all the way down here to 38 cents, as this is our last strong level support for our friend ADA. I'll quickly show you guys the Bitcoin long positions. We're seeing a nice little increase in the long positions. If we check out the shorts, we can see we do have a bearish divergence. You can see the shorts have just been increasing for weeks now, but it looks like they're starting to lose strength. And Bitcoin is still holding that 32 to 35K level. As I mentioned in my Matic video, we were talking about all the volume in this range, and if we are going to see a bounce, it has to be from this level or we'll come straight down to about 28 to 30K. But I am anticipating that dead cat bounce. This is the best opportunity for Bitcoin to bounce here with the RSI in the floor, because if we don't, I would expect this to come down to 28 to 30K before seeing our bounce back to the upside. But the bounce will come, guys, just as it did here. Bitcoin came down, we consolidated, and then we saw a nice bounce. So if this were to be our dead cat bounce, we wouldn't have created a strong level of support and we would have dropped lower. So that's what I'm anticipating. If we are going to see a dead cat bounce, that we bounce here, we fail to break this high, and then we start to come down and drop lower. And the bear scenarios, we just see a little bit of consolidation, and then we come down to about 28 to 30K. But as I've been mentioning, the RSI is absolutely in the floor. We have a lot of volume in this range, and we've just seen a little bit of a wick down. If I pop over to the 4-hour time frame, just going to quickly remove my little squiggly here. Just going to open this up. You can see we wick down a little bit here, and we have a nice bullish divergence on the 4-hour, creating lower lows for Bitcoin, higher lows on the 4-hour chart, which usually signifies the bears are running out of strength, guys. So just a quick update for ADA. This 90 cent to $1 range is our last level of support. If we lose it, guys, your next level of support is down here at about 38 cents. If we can see a nice bounce back to the upside, couple levels of resistance here at about $1.45, and then the resistance from our descending broadening channel coming in at about 163 for ADA. And with our dollar cost average strategy, let me quickly close the money flow, having a lot of lag today. We have our next buy zone here at 81 cents. And then I don't have our next buy zone till all the way down to 42 cents. As I mentioned, that is our next level of support coming in around that 38 to 42 cent range, which was a previous swing high. All right, guys, so that's basically it for ADA. If you want early access to these charts, as well as 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, keeping everybody updated regularly. Big shout out to everyone in the Discord. Love you guys. Thank you for posting all the amazing information and analysis, as well as the DCA charts for many, many coins. We have Sand, we have VET, we have Matic, Gala, ADA, ADA, Phantom, and many others. You can sign up through the Patreon. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I will see you in the next video. All right, cheers, much love, take care.